What if I told you that blockchain networks don't run by magic? They run because of something called validator nodes. But what exactly is a validator node? Is it expensive? Can anyone run one? And how does it actually make money? In this video, I'll explain validator nodes in the simplest way possible. No hype, no confusion, just facts. What is a validator node? Imagine a blockchain as a digital accounting book. Every time someone sends crypto, that transaction needs to be verified, approved, added to the blockchain. That job is done by validator nodes. A validator node is a computer connected to a blockchain network that verifies transactions, confirms blocks, helps secure the network, keeps everything decentralized. Without validator nodes, the blockchain would stop working. They are the security guards and accountants of the blockchain. How do validator nodes work? Most modern blockchains use something called proof of stake, delegated proof of stake. Here's how it works in simple terms. Validators lock up, stake, a certain amount of cryptocurrency. The network randomly selects validators to confirm transactions. If they do their job honestly, they earn rewards. If they cheat, they can lose part of their stake. This system replaces energy-heavy mining used in Bitcoin. Validator nodes are more energy efficient and scalable. How do validator nodes make money? Validators earn rewards from block rewards, transaction fees, network incentives. The more stake delegated to your node, the more rewards you can potentially earn. But keep this in mind, running a validator node usually requires technical knowledge, server infrastructure, initial capital, ongoing maintenance. It is not passive money without effort. Risks and realities. Let's stay realistic. Validator nodes carry risks, token price volatility, slashing penalties, downtime penalties, regulatory uncertainty. Also, not every node project you see online is a real validator opportunity. Education is critical. Who should consider validator nodes? Validator nodes may be suitable for long-term crypto believers, technical individuals, people comfortable with blockchain infrastructure, investors willing to research deeply. They are not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you want clear explanations about validator nodes, blockchain systems, and how these ecosystems actually work, without hype, subscribe to this channel. In the next video, we'll break down proof of stake versus proof of work, and why it matters. Education, not hype, just facts.